In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly insert Google Slides into a Google Doc. This is a really useful skill, especially if you're looking to create comprehensive and visually engaging documents by incorporating your presentation slides directly into your text. So, let's dive in. To start, you'll want to open both your Google Slides presentation and the Google Doc where you plan to insert the slide. It's important to have both documents ready so you can switch between them quickly. Once you have the Google Slides presentation open, navigate to the slide that you'd like to insert into your document. Make sure it's the exact slide you want, as you'll be copying this into your Google Doc. Next, head up to the main menu of Google Slides and click on File. From the drop-down menu, select Download, and you'll see a list of options. You'll want to choose JPEG image or PNG image. This is because these formats will allow you to save the slide as an image, which will make it easy to insert into your Google Doc. After clicking, the image file will be downloaded to your computer, typically saved to your Downloads folder unless you've specified another location. With your slide image now downloaded, switch over to your open Google Doc. Position your cursor where you want the slide to appear in the document. Once you've found the right spot, click on Insert in the main menu at the top of the screen. In the drop-down menu, hover over Image, and from the options that pop out to the side, select Upload from Computer. This will open a File Explorer window. Navigate to the folder where your downloaded slide image is located, select the image, and click Open. The image of your Google slide is now inserted into your Google Doc. You can adjust the size and alignment of the slide image to best suit the layout of your document. Simply click on the image, and you'll see blue squares appear around the corners, which allow you to resize the image. Click and drag these squares until your slide fits perfectly within your document. For alignment, you can use the toolbar at the top to align the image to the left, center, or right, depending on your preference. And there you have it. You've successfully inserted a Google slide into your Google Doc, enhancing your document with visual elements from your presentation. This method is not only straightforward, but also extremely effective in creating engaging documents that incorporate multiple types of media. Practice this a couple of times to get familiar with the process, and soon it will become second nature. Thanks for watching, and happy documenting.